This is my review of C&H Pure Cane Sugar Golden Brown Sugar. Brown sugar, it's delicious, isn't it not? It's just delicious brown sugar. That it's kind of a cool process. It is made from pure cane sugar, which is then they process it. They harvest the sugar cane, which is crushed to extract the sugar, the juice. Then the juice is clarified, cleaned out, evaporated, and boiled until it reaches a thick, syrupy consistency. And during this process, the natural molasses present in the sugar cane is concentrated, giving the brown sugar its distinct color and flavor. After syrup is boiled down, it's cooled, and then it crystallizes to form brown sugar. The sugar is then packaged and made available to us. And at different colorizations, it can be dark brown or it can be light brown, depending on how much they cook it down. But so what sets C&H apart from other brown sugars is the natural molasses they use to make the brown sugar. It is the actual natural molasses that comes right out of the pure cane sugar that they use instead of adding molasses to regular white sugar, which you can do. If you're ever short on brown sugar and you need some, you can just actually in the blender take molasses and white sugar and mix them together and make your own brown sugar. But what sets C&H apart is that in the processing, they use the actual natural molasses that comes out of the pure cane sugar to make it brown. So there's no adding or deleting. It's an actual pure product. Get yourself some C&H pure cane brown sugar. You can know the difference. You can taste the difference. It's delicious.